Hey Couch Crazies, it's Alex with Couch.com, and we are going to talk today about the famous Cloud sofa from Restoration Hardware. It's one of the most iconic furniture designs of the last 20 years, and we're going to break down whether it's worth the cash and worth the hype. Is the Cloud couch worth the hype? I say yes. The reason anybody buys anything is because they think that it's worth it to them. If you like a hyped sofa, and if that's something that's really important to you, it's a conversation piece, and it's also a beautiful piece of furniture. So in my opinion, it is worth the hype because you bring this into your house and it's something that's going to bring you joy, then what's the problem with that? Who cares if it's overpriced or underpriced? Is it worth the hype? Yes, because it's something that's going to bring you joy if you're willing to spend the money on it. Are Cloud sofas comfy? Yeah, they are. There's a reason why this is the most knocked off piece of furniture in the last 50 years, because it's an extremely comfortable design. It's not a lot to look at, really, let's be honest. It looks fairly straightforward, although the type of cushioning that it has really makes it seem like it is very cloud-like, and it does have a little bit of a different look and appearance, but it's based on the comfort of the sofa. When you sit on a Cloud couch, you're meant to feel like you're literally sitting on a cloud. Although, if you were to sit on a cloud, you'd fall right through it because it's made of water. What makes the Cloud couch so comfortable? The Cloud couches are very, very comfortable, and this is because of the specific type of cushioning blend that they use at Restoration Hardware. Now, this couch has been knocked off 5 ways from Tuesday by every single manufacturer in the furniture industry, trust me. Nobody has really found the specific types of materials used in the Restoration Hardware version that make it that much more special. Is the difference marginal? Maybe to some. To me, there's a big difference, and I think that the quality, or the difference in quality, is worth it. Because this type of synthetic cushioning that they use is some of the most comfortable and like sinky type cushioning that's out there on the market. What it is specifically or technically, I couldn't tell you. I am a couch expert, but I don't know everything. I'm a couch expert, I'm not a chemistry major. I will tell you, it is different. The Restoration Hardware, the original version, is a step above.